Hello and welcome to my channel. This is the Kid in the City. I am Jonte and we are back with another eyeshadow detail. Of course, if this is your first time, welcome to the channel. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. If this is not your first time, welcome back. You already know we're getting into another eyeshadow detail of this beautiful, simple, quick, easy eyeshadow look. Again, only two colors. Only two shades, only two colors, and we're using this Jackie Aina Anastasia Beverly Hills collab palette. Again, it is sold out, so unfortunately if you already don't have it, it is what it is. But you can just like find similar colors in other palettes. I forgot what I was about to say, but we're about to jump right into it. So if you want to see how I get this nice, quick, easy eyeshadow look, stay tuned because we're jumping right into it. Okay, so we are here with another eyeshadow detail. I have already primed my eyelid. I used the Sephora Best Skin Ever Full Coverage Multi-Use Concealer in the shade 35N to base it, and then I set it with the Laura Mercier Translucent Medium Deep Setting Powder. So yeah, the lids are primed and ready to go, and today, y'all already know, for the 12,000th time, we are going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Jackie Aina collab palette, which is one of my absolute favorites. It's so good. That's why I'm going to continue to use it until it runs out, even though it's like completely sold out. You can't buy it anymore. But if you know, you know. And if you have this palette, then shout out to you. But this is the palette that we're going to go into with today. So this is the palette. These are the colors. Beautiful. There are nudes, there are shimmers, there are pops of color. It's very brown girl friendly. This is such a good versatile palette, which I think is why I like it so much. But yeah, this is the palette that we're going in with today. I cannot talk today, like I really can't. I've been trying so hard to like talk right. I can't do it. Let me get my brushes together. Okay, so I'm going to start with ginger, which is a nice like light brown. And I'm just gonna put that right on the inner part of the eye. Maybe I need something a little darker. Okay, no, let's go with edges. So on the inner part of the eye, I'm gonna go in with edges. Yeah, there we go. Which is a nice kind of like burnt orange color. I want to go for a nude eye, nothing too crazy.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Just like so. Nothing crazy. Okay. And then I'm going to go in with pinker. And I'm just going to put that right in that crease. Like literally right above the eyeball. Just like so. Then I'm going to take a large fluffy and I'm just going to buff that outer part out just to soften that up a little bit. just like so. And honestly, I'm gonna add a little bit more of the pinker, but I think for the most part, this is gonna be it. I don't want it to be like super crazy. It's a super easy look. Like so. Super easy, super quick, super pretty. You know? Then just taking that fluffy, just buffing out the edges like that. And there we go. I may just put a little bit more of edges on the inner part and bring that right into pinker. And that's it. So this is the eye look. 2 colors, super easy, a base color and like a transition color, a crease color, and that's it. So now we're going to copy and paste. And here we are with both eyes done. Super cute, super easy. So now I'm gonna go in with my concealer and I'm just gonna sharpen the edges a little. Just clean that up.
Artlist.io.
Okay. All right. So this is the eye look so far. I already could tell you I'm not doing anything on the bottom lid. This is going to be super, super easy and quick. So I'm going to finish the rest of the face and I will be back with the final look. Okay, so here we are with the final look. Easy, quick, but still so fire of a look. I'm absolutely obsessed with this look. Again, we got into the Jackie Aina Anastasia Beverly Hills collab palette to create this nice little eyeshadow look. A nice plum dark purple violet kind of lip. That this rum punch, I literally like cannot get enough of this rum punch. I feel like if I put the Night Moth lip liner, which is a more purple liner, or if I go a little darker and put the chestnut, like the brown one, it's still going to eat every single time. I absolutely love this. But yeah, I'm starting my little museum series in the city. So today is my first like intro to the series. Again, visiting every museum, trying to visit every museum in Washington DC, and today is day 1. So yeah, I'm going on a cute little adventure and that's it. I'm super obsessed with this look. I love the way it came out. And yeah, I think that's about it. Thank you so much for tuning in. I do appreciate it. Do not forget to follow me on all socials at The Kid in the City. Thank you so much. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you chose to be here with the kid. And for that, I thank you. Until next time, bye.
Music licensing reimagined.